Is this magic? That baby just stopped crying.
Who is this doctor, or should I say, magician?
How to make a baby stop crying? How can you make your baby stop crying? First, make sure your baby doesn't have a fever. Make sure your baby isn't angry and has a clean diaper. Rock or walk with the baby. Sing or talk to your baby. Offer the baby a pacifier. Take the baby for a ride in a stroller. Hold your baby close against your body and take calm, slow breeze. So this doctor gonna show us how to hold a baby when the baby start crying, and instantly the baby just stop crying. Just by holding the baby in the right way, baby will no longer cry anymore.
Is this magic? That baby just stopped crying.
Who is this doctor, or should I say, magician?